Today, we'll mess it up. Hey, and welcome back, my little LASIK-PAWS laser. Because your Tatzo here is a genius, I took all of that brain juice and created a brand new challenge. It's called Granny's Glasses Challenge. Granny's Glasses Challenge. Didn't just make that up. Trust me. What it is? I'm glad you've asked. I have these beautiful old wacko glasses here and I can't see anything through them. Just like in my normal life, no matter how much I try. I can't see anything that's important. And because it's just a genius idea, I think I'll do my makeup with these. Or you know, I'll have these glasses on and then I'll do my makeup, not doing my makeup with these glasses. But that's a great idea if you want something like this. I can do that too. Need that super sweet ad revenue. Just kidding, need 39 years actually till I get that. If you enjoyed this video and would love to come back for more of this awesome content, then don't forget to smash like and subscribe. We talk the talk, let's walk the walk. I already moisturized and primed the hell out of my face because it was as dry as my last relationship. So let's try on the Am I blind? Hello? Oh. What the hell? What do I look like? Oh. I hate myself. At first we start with some color correcting and these are the Crayolan color correcting circles. This one has a special filling, the other one also, but I burnt the acrylic glass because I tried to clean it with acetone, but you know, you need to have a first time. Why can't I have beautiful things? Oh my god. I have a mirror in front of me and at first we'll start with some green against the redness. I just pick one. I can't see literally a thing. Oh shit, which color? Yes, the middle. I'll just make the whole area somewhere here. I don't know, I wanna go home. Absolutely no idea. We'll go in there, so if there's green in it, it will be fine. Somewhere here, I have no idea. Just like with the rest of my life. Not cheating, I'm not cheating. Okay, and now I'll just blend the green in. That's so bad. Grandma, what happened to you? So, okay. Could keep blending for the next 20 years. I'm a blenderholic, but I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Careful, careful. Retrain for this. Blend, blend, blend all the horrors away, no matter how bad your life is. Let Jesus take the wheel, drive him home carefully. Okay, not that bad. Now we're going with some concealer. I'm afraid. What are you doing? You are wasting your life. Wait, what the hell? Oh no! Do you see that? The concealer tip just came off with a part of the container. Now you can see that. Why? We'll just go in with a little bit concealer. Yeah, blend it all in together. So moist. With these glasses, I'm really rocking the registered sex offender style. Oh. I'm not doing that bad, I guess. Let's get in with some red in the under eye area. I'm not cheating if you think that. No. Looks fine to me. The next thing we do is foundation and this will be so wacko. My face, just a blurred spot. I have the feeling there's something on the sponge, but I'm not that sure. Okay, let's go wild. You think you look bomb, you look great, and then the daylight is like, no sir. Oh no. Oh, this one was a hit for the lips. Closing my eyes, shut up. Hi and welcome back. In this episode of the flashback review, we'll do crackhead makeup. Suitable for your mama too. Oh my god, so many pumps, that's not good. I can't even see the foundation, I'm just like tipping in the darkness, you know. Feels so natural. Oh, right there. I can tell you, with this beautiful foundation, you'll be on the cover of Vogue. I promise. Can't do it without my drugs. Kids.
Yeah, the old goodbye buster, he died behind the shed because of asphyxiation.
Time for some bathroom powder. Just be very careful. I hope I look beautiful for my date. I think I just look like a STD-ridden porn star. Really beautiful. 70s vibe, 70s living, boy. You know when something feels wrong? My brush jaw explodes. Everybody, just me, skilled. Headshot right to the knee. So, and now we'll come to the contouring. Will be fun. So we take just a little bit of a medium color, dust off the excess, and start to apply it. Bring out the cheekbone. I have the feeling it's way too much. I don't know why. Just have the feeling. There's that natural tan, huh? The $1 Walmart tan, that's the good shit. Houston, disconnected to your glasses. Can't take off the glasses, this is my life now. I have the feeling this looks very, very natural. Is there something on? Am I beautiful, mommy? Do you love me? I want a nose job so good that I get kicked out of business. Let us move on to the eyebrows! Or as I call them, Very carefully. How bad is it? How bad? We are going for a natural look today. Just comb through them a little for that nice, sleeky blur finish. I already did your homework. We go for a beautiful smoky eye. I have absolutely no idea which color this is. Shade the crease a little, you know? Now we start to shade the eyelid. Oh yeah. And just don't care about any fall off, because if you don't see it, nobody else will. It's time to get to the darkest shade, a beautiful, beautiful black. Oh yeah, feels so natural. Because I love purple, I think I'll go in with purple if I find the shade. Purple is the 5th shade or something like it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? Where are my glasses? I got them. Oh. If grannies do their makeup like this when they want to have a smoky eye. Oh, the itch that nobody can scratch. I look beautiful. Wish me luck. Oh, we do that. How the hell we do that? Oh yeah. Perjury. Oh yeah. That works. So cougar-like. Like a real MILF. I just get really MILF-y vibes, you know? I think I'm doing it from bottom to the top, like a real pro. Now we come to the most important part of the face. Besides the eyes and the eyebrows and all the rest, the lips. We already have a focus, so I think the lips have to step back a little. That upper lip line on fleek, am I right? And now we can smoke crack behind Walmart. Lokita. We smooch everything. Better or worse? Just stunning, stunning. Just a little bit of highlight. Hey. We give it a shot. We go with this one. What do their cheeks though, Tatzo? Exes, never heard of that. Oh yeah, we're doing it. A little bit of a glow up, you know? Oh yeah. So now the lip liner has settled a little bit and we go in with the lipstick. The funny thing is, I can do it when it's really dark or something like this. No problem, but... Oh, I twitched. Oh, hi there. Didn't saw you coming. I think it's time that I look in the mirror and I'm very scared. I'm really scared. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh, is that dead? Holy guacamole. Ugh. Ugh. Holy. Oh my god. Hey there, beauty. I look like I come directly out of a swamp. Hi, you are a cutie. Oh my god, I just look like someone that will bite off your so bad. I look like I'm the type of girl that loves dumpster fires. Poor people from the 20s must have looked like this. You're a most attractive guy and you have all of your teeth. Just so attractive. Rough gay killer. Oh, hi there. You're already here? I thought you would come a little bit later. Just busting them up a little bit more. Oh yeah, now it's perfect. Now it's great. I love the double end of this eyebrow here. Just looks very natural, you know. Not oversaturated, just clean and beautiful, you know. You know, I got breastfed by a horse till I was 17. I come from small village. Little boy last year got run over from carriage. Turned him to vegetable. But they collected so much sweet insurance money. You know, our toilet doesn't work anymore, so I had a bean for every of my child. I'm a very good mathematician. She always uses so much makeup, that dirty little hoe. My little apple of my eyepaws, I hope you enjoyed our today's episode of whatever the hell this even was. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more of that really awesome content you get. You can spend time with your relatives or you just tune in. I love you. Bye.